Mr. Osborne, I had a PCI agreement worked out back in February. He is a high school student. The phone number I had for him got disconnected. I couldn't reach him, which is why he ended up forfeited. I guess they picked him up where he lives now with his mother in Gregg County. He's a high school student. I'm just saying,
you have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborne. If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody now. Your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get that you're in high school, but the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? What? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason. We do court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over with. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
we accepted the PCI. The states said they would still accept the PCI.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out.
Actually,
I mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case? It's a year old, and
you set your bond at 10,000, so you post 1,000 with the bond.
well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
I don't recall leaving 3 times. I haven't.
You have a criminal case. You know that you are supposed to keep up with it. There's no out of sight, out of mind. You should have enough wherewithal to say, you know what? I haven't had court.
Oh, you don't do it to myself yourself. This ain't the place where you ask questions, okay? All right.
You should have enough wherewithal to know, you know what? I have court and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Bonding companies attempting to get the case reinstated and or a new bond set for them. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him of
I'm
the
not
May
going to
setting.
all of the sword. It's not your
I
fault.
do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay, but we have 3 different times. It's unacceptable. Okay.
If I may,
Sure.
he did miss court 3 times, but he missed the first one because I couldn't reach him because the phone number I had was disconnected. I reset it 2 more times to try to get in contact with him. So he didn't purposely miss 3 court dates, just because I couldn't. The phone number I had for him.
He knows he has court, Mr. Schofield.
I understand.
You know,
I'm just,
behavior has consequences. And now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you.
This may sound routine, but don't let it fool you. This is the court tightening the reins. Drug testing and counseling aren't punishments. They're leverage. The judge is basically saying, show me consistency, and I'll give you flexibility. Miss tests, miss court, or play games, and that goodwill disappears fast. Real question for you watching. Do you think accountability like this actually helps people get back on track, or is it just another hoop they're bound to trip over?
Guys, I'm not out for blood. But I want him to understand that we mean business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk. And I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school. But I want him to understand that we mean business. And if I just let him go now, it's enabling him. And it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow, if he's unable to make bond, we can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set him for review for tomorrow?
He's going to come back tomorrow
Okay.
regardless because they'll auto-populate.
Okay.
Because that's what happens when we take someone into custody, they auto-populate for the next day. So we can talk about it tomorrow about,
Okay.
because I'm not going to let him plead guilty just to get out and just to get a conviction on his record. And I'm happy to do this, but I want him to understand that we mean business and we're not playing games. So if he's still here tomorrow, we can talk about doing a PR bond and we'll let him try that. But I'm going to tell you now, he gets an ankle monitor, curfew, and I'm going to drug test him. And I'm going to be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right.
Thank you.